Well, a broken appliance or a problem with a major home system can get expensive really fast. A home warranty may help with the repair bill, but it might not cover as much as you expect.
Consumer Reports reveals what you need to know before buying a plan and a warning about the fake home warranty letters that could put your personal information and your money at risk. Morning anchor Aaron Guy breaks it all down.
It's the middle of summer in your new home when the air conditioner suddenly breaks. The repair could be expensive, but you bought a home warranty, so you're covered, right? Not necessarily.
Having a home warranty can provide you with some peace of mind, but you should realize that the providers of these plans build in wiggle room that makes it easier for them to deny a claim.
These service contracts may help pay to repair or replace covered appliances and home systems, including plumbing, heating, and air conditioning, but the protection isn't always as clear-cut as it sounds.
Some homeowners may discover that the plan leaves out what they need when they file the claim.
Consumer Reports examined home warranty plans and found that a claim may be denied because of poor maintenance, improper installation, or pre-existing problems. And even when something is covered, every part may not be. A policy may cover a refrigerator, but not the ice maker, or a water heater, but not the tank itself. Before buying a plan, first check whether you already have protection.
Appliances in a newly built home may still be covered by the manufacturer or builder. And even if your appliances aren't new, they may be under warranty if you purchase them with a credit card, because some cards will extend the original warranty.
And if you're still considering a home warranty plan, ask about the total cost, including service fees. Find out what's covered, what's excluded, and how much the policy will pay, and whether an item will be repaired or replaced. And if a replacement is approved, the company may pay only its depreciated value, leaving you to cover the difference. And watch out for those home warranty scams. Consumer Reports warns about scam letters claiming your home warranty is expiring, even if you never had a plan. The letter may look official and even list your mortgage company. Now, don't call the number provided. Contact your lender or warranty company using a number you know is real, and never share personal or financial information.
If you'd rather not buy a home warranty, another option is to self-insure. Consumer Reports has a long recommendation, putting the money that you would spend on a plan into savings for future repairs and replacements. In studio, Aaron Guy, WPBF 25 News.